Hey there, welcome back to Lima Bean Living. For today's video, I thought I would share a newly discovered favorite of mine, maple mustard chicken. When I first tried this, I didn't think I was going to like it, but it is so good. I am going to be sharing the measurements per chicken breast since everyone's family size is different. Check out the description box for more details and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will catch you in the next one. Woohoo! You've made it to the end of the video. If you didn't know already, my name is Emily from Lima Bean Living. Welcome. We are so happy to have you. We post videos every Monday and Friday on a variety of content: lifestyle, cooking, cleaning, military life, DIYs, encouraging mathematical development in children, and so much more. Thank you so much again for watching, and until next time.